everybody, this is Mibella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my hair oil routine that I generally do at home for healthy, glowing and soft and silky hair. I have been doing my hair oil at home since a long time, and I think every girl should go ahead and do it too, especially after this Diwali season when the air is full of smoke and pollutants. It's so polluted right now, so you should go ahead and do it, especially if you have traveled outside during Diwali, if you have went for Diwali shopping, etc. You need a hair oil routine. So here I am with the hair oil routine. I hope you like it. Let's get started. So these are the oils that I generally use at home. I'll show you one by one what are these. The first one is the most trusted coconut oil, of course. So I use any coconut oil for that matter, but right now I have Patanjali, so I'm using this one. After that I'll be using olive oil. So olive oil is very nourishing, very rejuvenating, so I'll use this one as well. The next one that I'll be using is castor oil. This is really good if you have hair fall and if you want long hair. So castor oil, these two are from the brand Blossom Kosha. The next one is badam oil or almond oil, which is by Dabur. And the next two are supplements that you can use or avoid. It's up to you, it's your choice. So the first one is essential oil by Aromatherapy, and the next one is lavender oil. This is also an essential oil, but lavender fragrance. You'll get these anywhere if you go to a beauty shop. The next thing that you require is a bowl and a spoon, very typical, and a cotton ball. You will also need a shower cap and a towel. This is again optional. If you don't have a shower cap, use a plastic bag that you have got from your local grocer and just wrap it around your head. So we'll start with the hair oil. We will start by mixing all the oils. So I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of each oil. That means coconut, olive oil, castor oil, but 1 tablespoon of badam oil. I have taken only 1 tablespoon of badam oil because I've already used castor oil, which is quite heavy. Similarly, badam oil is also very heavy, so I don't want to make it too heavy, so I've taken only 1 tablespoon. Now I have added 2-3 drops of essential oil. Now this is completely optional, you can avoid this, but I like the smell of lavender oil and essential oil. Then we'll take some cotton which is dipped in water and we are good to go. So I've mixed all the ingredients here: coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, almond oil and the essential oils. You can also heat this one by keeping it in a hot water. So just heat some water in a bowl and keep it on top of that, and this will heat automatically, but it will be not directed, it will be a secondary heat. So you can do that, but I'll skip that because I don't want hot oil right now because it's quite hot still. What I've done is taken a piece of cotton ball and dipped it in water and squeezed the water totally. Why have I done that is because the cotton ball, if it's not wet, will soak all the oils. Right now, because it's dipped in water and then squeezed, it will repel the oil and then the oil will all be on my head. So that's what we are going to do. This hair oil is very good for people who have rough, dry and frizzy hair. Also, if you have hair fall problem, it will be very good for you because castor oil promotes hair growth, so you can do that. If you have extreme hair problem, then you can squeeze onion juice into it. If you have dandruff problem, on the other hand, you can squeeze lemon juice into it. So it's all your choice. You can break it, make it your way, do whatever you want with this, but I'm just giving you tips on how to alter it, right? So let's get started with the hair oil. I will divide my hair into 2 sections first, like this, and detangle every knots on my head. I'll start with the roots. I'll dip the cotton ball in the oil and squeeze it a little. Then I'll gently pat it on the roots of my hair, so on the scalp. You just pat it like that. You can also use a tail comb just to come to the next layer. so you can divide your sections neatly, and then you can continue doing the same step again and again until all the hair is covered, especially the roots and the scalp. It's covered with oil. Now that I'm done with the roots, I'll concentrate on the lengths. I'll take each part and then rub it up with oil. I'll clip it on the backs just so that it becomes easier for me to differentiate which one is oiled and which one is not. And I'll continue oiling my hair the way everyone does it. So you'll just rub it and brush it with your fingertips. I'm especially concentrating on my colored hair, so the colored portion of my hair, because it is very dry and rough. So this one is the natural hair, so it's blacker, while on the other hand this one is the colored hair, so you can just see the difference in texture as well. So I'm making sure that this gets covered properly. I'm also doing the roots very properly. I'm finally done with one side of my hair, so this is the oiled portion, and now I'll start with the next one. I'm done with the other side as well, so I finally oiled my entire hair. If you have oily skin or acne problem, take a tissue paper and keep rubbing off the oil from your forehead so that you do not have any breakouts. Then start rubbing your head. Give yourself a very good head massage. It will be very beneficial for blood circulation. You may take the help of your mother or your sister. That would be more relaxing if somebody else does it for you. I'll comb it once more so that it gets entirely covered with oil. So this is how it looks like. So now I have finally oiled my hair completely, so it's totally soaked with oil from root to end. Now what I will do is similar to the hair spa treatment that I showed you, you can either do a hot towel treatment, a hot towel thing, or you can also just go ahead and wrap your head with this shower cap just so that you can lock in the moisture and make it a heated kind of a vacuum inside this plastic. I will go ahead with a hot towel because that is something that I really like to do, and I feel like it gives so much more than just doing a shower cap wrap around the head thing. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the towel treatment again if you are new to this channel. Take a towel and then just roll it from the top, or else you can just take the two ends and just spiral it like this. Take both the ends and again do it likewise but halfway through, and it should look something like this. Dip the towel in hot water, squeeze it out like this. Make sure that you are careful, otherwise you will burn yourself. Then wrap it around your head for maximum relaxation and blood circulation. So I finally wrapped my head in my hot towel. I keep my towel like this for 5 minutes or until the towel is hot. So whenever you feel that it's cold, then you can just take it off. So now I think I can take this off. It's been like 5 minutes that I've kept it. I can just chuck it and tie my bun neatly on top using a simple clutch, and use the shower cap So I finally wrapped my head in the shower cap just to lock in the moisture and keep it warm, a little warm. What I will do is I'll keep it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you want to, you can keep it overnight as well, but people who have hair fall problem, then I think you should avoid that, because if you keep it overnight, your hair roots would be soft and there are more chances of breakage. So avoid it. Just keep it for 45 minutes to 1 hour and then wash your hair very properly. In fact, because we have used castor oil and almond oil or badam oil. These are very heavy oils, so you should wash your hair properly at least twice with a good shampoo and then conditioner. I'll show you my end result after I wash my hair after 1 hour. Okay, see you. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back after washing my hair. It has been so long. I kept it for so long because I was busy with some other work. So this is the result as of now. I mean, I feel it's so nourished. Look at the color of the hair. It is shinier and softer. I specifically give attention to the colored portion here, and it is looking much better if you can see it. So yeah, I'm very happy. I make sure whenever I do a head massage that I take a concoction of many different oils. Olive oil is very good for your hair. Castor oil is very good for people with hair fall. Similarly, the essential oil, make sure that the coconut oil is not too heavy in its fragrance, because sometimes you get a headache, so the essential oil kind of simmers it down, the fragrance. Similarly, if you have used onion juice, then the lavender oil really helps, the essential oil. So a concoction of different oil is the best oil for me personally. I feel that it helps me most, and I'm really happy with the end result. I think I deserved this massage after this Diwali outbreak of pollution. So I'm happy, and I think my hair is happy too. So you should also go ahead and do it. Make sure that you keep it for 1 hour, and make sure that you do that hot towel thing. It will be so much better if you do that. So I hope you like the video. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to, because then you'll get notification for my future videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.